Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is Francis Star here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can be making up to at least 3,000 naira on this website every day. Okay, so trust me, this website is actually free and it accepts people from every part of the world. Okay, so right here all you just want to do is to sign up. Okay, so after signing up, you're just going to complete some tasks and then you're going to be making money on daily basis. Okay, so right here on this platform there are lots of tasks for you to complete. Okay, so you don't have to wait for hours before you get access to tasks you can complete. Okay, there are a lot of tasks available on this platform for you to complete. Okay, so guys, just make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end while I show you through the process. Okay, so if you're seeing my video for the first time on YouTube, I would say you should hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell. Okay, so what I do on this channel is I make videos on how to make money online business, digital skills, affiliate marketing, graphic designing, freelancing and all that. Okay, so if any of this sounds like something you're interested in, so I'll say you should hit that subscribe button and make sure you always follow up on my videos. Okay, so right here I'm just going to show you how you can start making money on this platform. Okay, so once you just finish signing up on this platform, what you want to do is click on this three dash button right here. So once you click on it, you're going to see some options. Okay, so you can see option on how to earn, you can see earn, you can see PTC ads, you can see offer awards, you can see leaderboards, you can see video ads, you can see weekly tags. Okay, with these weekly tags you can earn money. The leaderboard actually shows list of people who have made more money on the platform. Okay, so right here you can see for the week, these are the list of people who have made more money on the platform. You can see this is 20,000 naira, this is 15,000, you can see this is 12,000, this is 8,000, and you can see the names of the individuals right here. Okay, so there are lots of people who makes money on this platform on daily basis. Okay, so right here you can see I don't even do anything on this platform, but I have I think this is 98.57 naira right here. Okay, so let me quickly show you how you can start making money on this platform. Okay, so what you want to do is just click on this button. Okay, so once you click on this button right here, so once you click on this button, it's just gonna open and then show you a page like this. So what you want to do is just click on this option right here showing offer time walls. Okay, or you click on earn. Okay, so once you click on earn, it's going to show you a list of options where you can earn from. Okay, so to start making money on this platform, all you just have to do is click on this three dash button right here. Okay, so once you click on it, it's going to direct you to a page like this. So what you want to do is click on this option showing offer time walls. Okay, so once you click on offer time walls, it's going to direct you to this page. Okay, so this page, you can see these are the place where you're gonna see tasks that you can complete and start making money for yourself on the platform. Okay, you can see right here offer was earn up to 18,000 naira. Okay, so if you should combine the amount of tax right here, here and here, it's worth this in daily base. Okay, so if you be able to complete all these taxes in a day, trust me, you're gonna be making up to 18,000 naira for free on this platform. Okay, so right here you're just gonna click on view tax and they're going to show you a list of tags available in the time wall. So right here you can still click on view tags. They're gonna show you list of tags available on 𝐑𝐄𝐋𝐃. Okay, so right here this is another one, which is the CPX research offer. You can just click on it and then see the list of tags that are available. So I'm just going to click on this right now to show you what it looks like. Okay, so it's just going to take few minutes and then it's going to come up with the available tags on the page. Okay, so actually this platform partners with three of those platforms I just showed you right now. Okay, so the money you're going to be making here, before you can be able to withdraw it, you have to withdraw from here to your payroll platform. Okay, which is the first platform that directed us to this place. Okay, so once you make any money or any point right here, you're just going to withdraw it. Okay, you don't have to put in any payment method here. Okay, so once you withdraw from here, it's going to be paid directly to the first platform that's you're going to be signing up on. Okay, it's just like a partnered platform. Okay, they partner with each other, but here is just for you to complete the survey, and then right there is for you to withdraw your earnings. Okay, so if you're withdrawing from this place. It's not going to go to any payment method you provide. Okay, so actually it's going to go directly to your payroll account. So from there you can withdraw it to your local bank account. Okay, so right here you can see this is 364 tax available. Right here you can see 5 surveys. Right here you can see 28 link clicks. Okay, so these are easy ways you can just make money. And once you get up to I think 100 points here, you can be able to withdraw to your payroll account. Okay, so right here you can see I have just 24 naira and I can actually withdraw it to my payroll account. Okay, so once you make any money on this particular platform, which is the time wall, and you want to withdraw it to your payroll account, all you just have to do is to click on this option right here. Okay, so once you click on it, you're gonna see options like this. So you can just tap on withdraw. Okay, so once you click on withdraw, it's gonna load and then direct you to this page. Okay, so once you get to this page, you can see right here the minimum withdrawal amount is 100 points, and right here you can see I have 607 points. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on this option showing withdraw. Okay, so once I click on it, the money will be paid to my payroll account. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on it right now so you can see right here, are you sure you want to withdraw 24 ng to payroll online? I'm just gonna click on okay. Okay, so once I click on it, it's just gonna take few minutes and then the money is gonna be paid to my payroll account. So you can see right here it has changed to 0. Okay, let me quickly go back and then check my payroll account. Okay, so guys, you can actually see right here we had 98 naira, and after I withdrew 24 naira from the time wall account, you can see it has been added here. Okay, so guys, this is a win-win for you. All you just have to do is to just click on this option and then click on offer time walls. Okay, so once you click on offer time walls, you're just going to select any of these right here. Okay, so once you select any of them, you're going to see lots of tasks that you can complete. Let me click on this last one. So you can see you're going to see different types of tasks you can actually complete and then you make money for yourself. Okay, so right here you can see there are lots of them. You can see this one right here showing me choose a survey. So if I just click on this button, it's going to direct me to a page where I have to complete the survey and I'll get paid for that. Okay, so the other one is actually cool as well. You can just click on it and then it's going to direct you to a page where you're going to still complete simple tasks and you still make money doing that. Okay, so right here you're going to just watch ad. You can see watch ad, they're going to pay you 0.32, watch ad again 0.20, watch ad 0.20. Okay, so guys, you can just keep doing this and then you're going to be making money. But the main thing right here is the first one, which is the time war. Right here you're going to make more points for yourself. Okay, and there are lots of tasks right here you can actually complete on daily basis and be making a whole lot of money for yourself. Okay, so guys, you can see right here this is actually showing over 300 tasks right here. Okay, and this is 28 and this is 5. Okay, and right here you can see points that they are willing to pay. They are willing to pay 49,000 points for this particular survey. You can see this 1,960 points for this survey, and it's just going to take you a few minutes to complete. Okay, so once you just want to go for any of this survey, you just click on start. Once you click on start, it's going to direct you to the page and they're just going to ask you a few questions, and then once you're done, you're going to get paid doing that. Okay, so guys, make sure you try this website out. If you find value in this video, make sure you hit that like button. Okay, hit that like button and make sure you share this video with a friend who needs to make money online. Okay, so guys, I'll say thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.